Hi, my name is Darryl Clark, and I want to thank you for taking the time to join me for this brief video on available options for Coil Kits. I am the Corporate Vice President for Wallace and Associates, and I'm just going to give you a short, brief presentation on options for Coil Kits. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you. I'm going to just shut off my video so that you're not distracted by it. So this is Wallace and Associates. That's our organization. We have two warehouses, one in Franklin Lakes, New Jersey, and one in Plainview, New York, where we stock about $6.5 million worth of equipment, and we can get coil kits out for you just as speedy and as quickly as you need and require them for your job site. Who we are, what we do, how we achieve success. These are members of our team. We have the 360-degree experience, and we tout ourselves on that. That means that we start with whether that's the developer, whether that's the mechanical contractor or the engineer. We want to work with you from the very beginning and then meet with you again at the end of the project at 360 degrees to make sure that we fulfilled all of your needs and to talk about working with you on the next project. HydroSource is our traditional rep business that we support wholesalers over 350 branches, and that's our traditional manufacturer's representative business, and we provide all sorts of services with selection, sizing, training, startup and commissioning. HydroMax, this is where we maximize a building's efficiency through remote monitoring, heat exchanger cleanings, preventative maintenance contracts. HydroFab is one of the fastest growing segments of our business. This is where we make prefabricated skids in order to have a building get turned over quicker so that that developer and the mechanical contractor can get off the job sooner and move on to something more profitable. We do prefabricated skids all the way up to modular mechanical construction plants. These are our brands. Tisdale Manufacturing, that's what right in the middle is where we do our prefabricated skids and modular plants. Bell & Gossett, Danfoss, Lochinvar, Panasonic VRFs. Please call us for your VRF needs. We're here to support you. So Coil Kits, you basically have a supply and return on a coil, and what you see over here is your automatic temperature control valve, and this is your balancing valve here, and this is your accessory, which is a Y strainer with a ball valve. So I'm going to go over those options for you now. This is an automatic flow limiting valve where it gets set to a certain GPM flow. This is a manual balancing valve where you have to set it and use a chart. This is a Y strainer with a ball valve. This is the union accessory that has, no, this is a union ball valve. And then this is your union accessory where you can have a pressure and temperature gauge. Standard offering, Y strainer with a ball valve. Just an exploded view. And here it is without the exploded view. Union ball valve, exploded view. Union accessory, exploded view. There's your union accessory, what it looks like. This is your automatic flow limiting valve, exploded view. And then here are your options. So the first one you see here is your automatic flow limiting valve with your ball valve. That's the option there. Here you have the same thing with a two-way control valve. So you have the union accessory, your automatic flow limiting valve, and your Y strainer with the ball valve. Same again, except for this time with the ball valve, no Y strainer. This is a three-way control valve. Same unit with a Y strainer and your union accessory. Here it is now with the ball valve, three-way control valve. Now you have a three-way control valve with a bypass, and it has a manual circuit setter in the bypass line. Now you have your manual circuit setter with a Y strainer. Manual circuit setter with the ball valve. Manual circuit setter with the two-way control valve. Again, your union accessory and your Y strainer with the ball valve. Same thing here, just the ball valve, no Y strainer. Three-way control valve, again, manual circuit setter, union accessory, Y strainer with the ball valve. Three-way control valve, union ball valve. Three-way control valve, again, your manual circuit setter, your union accessory, your Y strainer with the ball valve, and your manual circuit setter in the bypass. Same thing again, except for this one is just the ball valve and the manual circuit setter. Here's what they look like in a like a riser diagram. You can see what it looks like on a detail. Here's your AC3Y and your AC3Y MC. So this one has a manual circuit setter, and this is your three-way control valve. Again, your two-way control valve on this one, and it's just straight up with no control valve here. Manual circuit setter, Y strainer. Two-way control valve. Three-way control valve. Three-way control valve with the manual circuit setter. These are some of our top projects that we've done over the years. One Wall Street, Turkey Consulate, the Virgin Hotel, Nordstrom Towers, Stony Brook University. We're very, very happy to work with you, excited to work with you. So please give us a call, give any of our engineers a call, our inside sales staff. We're here, we're ready to assist you and help you become more profitable and help you grow your business. Thank you. Appreciate you taking the time out to watch this short video again, and we look forward to working with you.